What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan at Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Today we have with us
Lyric.
What was that? What's that? A cheerleader thing right there? We have with us Lyric today. She's going to help us out with this video. We are downtown at the new Building Rub Arena that they redesigned here. Looks pretty nice, so we're going to do a shoot here. I never have done a shoot here before, so we're going to do it right here. We're going to hit her in this outfit that she has on here. And she's gonna got this little one piece, brown piece. She's gonna do it. Are you ready to get this work in? All right, let's get the work in, man. Let's get the work in.
That's a big boy. Pulling out the big guns.
All right. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Hold up. Do that pose again. Sorry. Yep. 1, 2, and 3.
Besides me, go girl, but look at all that. Looks good.
Can you see yourself?
Yes.
All right.
Hi.
I like those, yeah. Hey guys, y'all see the work. Y'all know the work. Y'all know what this 105 does. So we are now done with this. No. I'm lying, guys, we're not done. We're actually I wanna go sit over here on the thing, and then we're gonna have her switch over to
Brown one piece.
brown one piece. Brown one piece. Brown one piece. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. I like that. Oh, yeah, just like that. Yep. Yeah, your legs just like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dude, okay. Work.
I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna switch back to the 45 so I can get more of the environment. What the fuck?
I told you he was looking for me.
What the fuck? What?
I literally looked at him, I was like, he'll never know I'm here.
What is wrong with you,
He
man?
literally said, like a ninja. Don't know, this is also an ab workout. Stay in this position. You must initiate your core. Keep it intact. So you're going like this.
That's very, very true. That's modeling tips 101. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Or into the shot.
All right. Lyric is playing hide and seek. I don't know what's wrong with her. But we're about to switch outfits here real quick. She's gonna get in the romper, we're gonna knock that out real quick. And then I actually probably will just turn her around. We might walk down there to the other spot down here somewhere. So we'll figure out what we're gonna do here. They're back. And I'm gonna have to crouch in here like a ninja. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how that works. What? Come on. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Check this shit out.
Okay, that actually does look really good. And you're hiding yourself perfectly somehow.
Do a couple more, then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rope myself over here, and we're gonna get more of this background with you on the glass. And then I'm gonna switch lens. We'll probably do the same exact thing we did right here. Okay, yep, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Magic turds. All right, I just should have scoot you back. And 3. Stay there again, I like that pose. 1, 2, and 3. Yep. 1, 2, and 3. Yep. What I'm showing right now is, guys, if you can see right behind this corner right here. So I got those buildings right, but I got the highlight. But my problem is, of course, obviously, if I could just shut down if I just go ahead and just, you know, bring up my shutter speed or whatever, I'll be able to get all that and capture. But then in turn, it's gonna make me have to raise it up. And I really don't want to go too dark because I still wanted to make it look like it's natural light and not too much giving out a flash vibe. So that's the reason why. But for these photos, on this one, I think I just may just turn it down a lot and just see where we're gonna go from there. Go ahead and give me a pose. 1, 2, and 3. All right, guys, that's not too much. It's still giving out flash vibes, but you know, I'm digging it. 1, 2, and 3. I like to hold that. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that looks good. Hold that again. I'm coming in hot. Hold that. Coming in hot. 1, 2, and 3. Coming in hot. Like a hot tamale. Ooh.
Okay. Oh, that's cute.
I like that, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, hold that right there. I like that pose. Girl, models always second guess when I be telling them like, yo, come in a fitted dress and give me tennis shoes.
Yeah.
They always say,
you don't want
what?
heels?
What, you don't want heels? What is going on? And she's a stalker of my page, but she really stalked it really good. She would know that I got a whole series of give me something form-fitting and tennis shoes. A dress and tennis shoes, but she gave me a romper and tennis shoes. Still all the same thing. But the point I'm going at was this: after I always take the photos and show it to them, they'd be like, man, it's really giving out them vibes.
It's giving street.
That's good. I like that. All right, guys, now y'all made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Lyric and I just put in for you. Now, Lyric, how did you enjoy?
It was a lot of fun. This is one of the most fun shoots I've ever had.
Is she just saying that?
I shot with a lot of people, so get on it. Yeah.
Is she really just saying that?
No, I'm not really just saying that.
Just trying to make me feel good right now.
No, I'm being genuine and honest.
All right, as you can
Really
see,
good energy.
as you can see, guys, we just stayed in this one little area right here of the new Rupp Arena builds. I absolutely love the photos. Definitely those are reflection photos. As you can see, guys, I was really kind of Chinese and puzzling when I was going straight on with her because I had to get my reflection out of it. And y'all can barely even see me in it because I was just really, and
He was hiding like.
and she's like 3 times smaller than me, but so somehow I was able to finesse it and get in there without you really seeing me, without really doing no editing. This is me not even look at the photos, but I'm pretty sure I ain't got to edit myself out of this. And if you want to work with Lyric, all the stuff is going down in the description off below because it would have popped on the screen by now. And until the next video.
Till the next video.
Until the next video, guys. Peace.
Woo!
Peace. 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 Now and Lyric into the next video. To the next video.
To the next video.
To the next video.
What's your sign off? Do you have a sign off?
This is my sign off.
To the next video.
Now she just messed up my whole entire sign off, guys.
Do it again.
Okay. I'm gonna start this over. You gonna stand back here? Or are you gonna do the chicken dance?
Where am I supposed to go?
Where are you? What's going on here?
Ding, ding, ding,
Are you?
ding, ding, ding.